today. I am going to make a vegan version of chocolate buttercream icing, and this is the icing that we used for the cupcakes last week. The first thing that I'm going to do is sift my cocoa powder and my powdered sugar together. The reason that I want to sift these together is, as you can see, there's little clumps of each of them in here, and we just want to get this as smooth and silky as possible. My bowl's getting full. I have to pick my sifter up. Alright, now I'm going to get my mixer out. Now I have some vegan butter that I have been letting sit out to soften, and I am going to just beat that by itself before I add anything to it. Now that my butter is all softened up, I'm going to add just some of this mixture. So our powdered sugar and cocoa. Now I'm just going to blend this together for a little bit. I'm going to add some more. We just don't want to make ourselves a big mess, so we are going to add this like this and then blend. Gonna scrape down the sides. I'm going to add some vanilla, like a teaspoon. FYI, a cap is about a teaspoon. And half of my soy milk I have here. Oh, maybe a little more than half. And we are going to continue blending this. I'm gonna add some more of my mixture. Oh, let's just do all of it. Now we're gonna go back to blending this with the mixer. You are gonna take a good amount of time mixing this to get it all smooth. Oh, here comes Mom. Gonna sneak in and add the rest of that soy milk for me. I'm gonna stop and scrape down the sides one last time. There we have it. Beautiful frosting. Our chocolate frosting's done, and it's time for the taste test. That's so good, you don't even need cake under it. It's light and fluffy and chocolatey and sweet and everything you'd want from some frosting. Stop by next week and see what we're cooking.